Hello and welcome to Birdview and Easy Projects. In this video, we'll be covering how to create subactivities, also known as child activities. This is a great way to organize projects into smaller, manageable tasks. Head to the respective project and click on the plus icon in the left column, or click on the ellipses icon beside details. Once you're done typing, hit enter to add the next activity. If you'd like to add a subactivity under the parent task, hit the plus icon or use the ellipsis. This is also where you can mark milestone tasks. In the details pane, this is where you can change the activity type. Hover over the reorder handle to click and drag tasks and change their order. Or you can group them within a parent activity. Please visit our other training videos for more information on how to use easy projects. Thank you and have a great day.